Guys, I was mugged. Just imagine ngibuya esipanini. Esipanini, guys, I was mugged ngihamba ngabo few days ago. So ngihamba ngibuya esipanini, ngibuya shooting because I'm an actor. So manje barephe late labantu. So barepha late, so nami it was risky to my side. I was like, yo, why madoda baqeda ukushootha, so kill lama-gents. So woka from Meadowlands to Orlando East, omunye besi-3 ne, so omunye simshiye eDube hostel. So siyawoka bazowoka to Orlando, le bridge lele elingena Orlando, le bridge. So kunamajita sakhuphuka lapha, lo mjita lo ngihamba naye bayamhunta ngathi bayamatha, I don't know. I think it was just a tutsa nje ukuthi uthi semapari or si-clever or whatever. So lo mjita lo uthi hayi so hayi I respond, uzibani bana, then I confuse-ke. Basigijimi dentabale bagijimisa, sokufika out imoto le yini ibhale clinic yona le health what athi ma-gents ni-safe ma-gents. Hey sathi yo mfethu siko safe mfethu kushubile lana. Cabanga after that we split. Lo mjita waphuma kule side leli eliye police station yabo cause uBlomi 16. So mina ngiphuma le side leli eliya ngihlala eBoomtown, so kumele ngiphume kule side leli ley'kolo ngingene side leli ikolo ikasi labo kuzibani lo, ikasi labo Siphelele. So ngidlula khona lapha ngasemagrawundini ngasemavindini, ngidlula emakulini kuqala. So ngiqale ngahle ishaya le esiqandeni sabo Hlombe, le sofa sonke ngakhuphuka. Mangikhuphuka ngibona abanye bayehla, ngithi hayi ngeke noma sekuthiwana laba babamikunzi amadide ngawazi ayehla kanje, kade ayehla futhi ngabuyela emuva. Yabona, ngaphuma ngale sikhathi semagrawundini, then I saw a guy umile nje in the middle of no, umile nje ebumnyameni, and ama-street lights awasebenzi Orlando East, awasebenzi. It's all dark in Orlando East. I don't know what the government is doing about it. Does the government want us to die? Ngabe government ifuna sife ngamanye amagama, to want to die. We are working hard to sibe nemali sikwazi nathi ukuzimaintaina sigqoke sibe bahle, kodwa izosenzelani nonto leyo ukusebenza if we are not safe emakhasi wethu. We are not safe guys, we're not safe. So manje bangikhuphuka lo mjita lo, ngiyamdlula lo mjita lo omile nje, nathi something strange lo, akasho next angihunta ngenzi ngiyadlula. Then ngizwe sekuthiwa excel angabaleka ngambaleka manje ngibaleke ngisuka ngaselukuzana egroundini ngakhuphuka, azange ngithatha lesi shortcut lesi siphumile emavindini, ngathi ngiyasavoida. Ngivela ngathatha lesi ePhamusi Street kaSlami, ngaphuma igate angilizwanga noma base ngilivula, angilizwanga. I didn't feel the gate when I was opening it. I was like, hey madoda, why kuso ekasi, why kuso ekasi guys. So manje thina we must suffer, mele manje safari just because guys ngeke guys, now we have to suffer just because sifuna imali, those things guys. Anilenzi iqiniso, don't do truth. Guys, anilenzi iqiniso guys. Why kuso in this country? Why kuso in this country? Nami it was reckless ukuthi ngithathe le gig. Nami akunamali guys, I'm broke. Into engenza ukuthi ngithathe le gig is because I'm broke. I don't have money. Other than that, I only been taking these gigs yabona ariska impilo zethu ukuthi anginamali. But njena nje I wouldn't take that gig. Ukuthi manje anginamali financially, kuyabhetha this month. There's no gigs, enough gigs. guys bayaropa lapha, baropa bale be-bridge-ini guys. Mangasha u-10 mangasha u-8 kahle kahle usahamba e-Orlando West uze East, hey requester kampani bona imali requester kune-Wi-Fi Home Affairs, bona imali requester uze Orlando ngoba yanyiwa lapha. Rather uluze imali ube safe than to lose imali and lose your life, yabo, cause e-Orlando baba inkunzi bakugwaza bakubulala. So hey guys, please subscribe. Yeah, thank you for so much for subscribing. We are going to 800 subscribers, guys. Boo, 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 boo. So yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Thank you for always viewing my videos. No matter 10 views each, but it's fine. So thank you, guys.